friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm in the craft room trying to put things away, and I forgot to show you all of this stuff, so I thought I'd share it with you before I put it away. So some of this is from Walmart and some's from Dollar Tree. I have a ton of stuff. I didn't get it all at once. This was a couple different trips, but from Walmart, I got these after Easter. These are just that mesh that you make wreaths with. So I got 2 rolls of it, and I think it was super cheap, like under $1. So I picked up 2. I thought these colors were really pretty, and I love making wreaths, so I thought it would be great for the summer. I also got some of this leather, and this is in black, but I do have it in white and brown, and I love this stuff from Dollar Tree. If you can find it, pick it up. It's a really good like fake leather, and it's great for the bottom of doll shoes. So I picked that up. If you want to see me make some little doll shoes with it, let me know. I got this pearl wrap. I thought these little things would be great for buttons on like jeans and stuff. I need to get into making a few clothing items this week, so I picked these up and thought these would work great. I also got some paper packs. I got 2 of them. I've already opened them. They both came in a package like this. It just says crafting paper pack, but these are not actually paper. The insert looks like this, and it's a piece of paper, but you get all of these in one of the sets. And then let me see if I can separate them. Okay, so they're actually like cardboard, like very thick cardstock or cardboard. Not cardboard, cardstock. That's what I meant. But you get tons of these, and they're really good quality. Like, I was shocked. I love them. So I picked up 2 packs. I picked up that pack, and then this one comes with all of these, like brighter packs. And just look at these. They're like glossy and thick and great for any kind of crafting, really. You can even use these on your Cricut, for a die cut machine, birthday cards, whatever. But you get 24 sheets in each pack, and I thought, let me share that with them because they might like that and want to pick it up. I also picked up these. I thought these would be okay for like quick crafting. They're fastener dots, and they have like an adhesive on the back. Let me know if you've tried them. I haven't. I also got these nails, and I actually really like them. I think they're fun. My nails have been horrible lately because of work, but for $1.25 for these, I thought they were so cool. I love the little flames and stuff. I don't know if I'll wear them anytime soon, but I had to have them. And then I picked up these 2. Like I said, everything else is from Dollar Tree. These were so cute. I think I got these in Virginia, if I'm not mistaken. This is a little mouse and a little bear. And I gave this little kid my other one off of my keychain because they really liked it. So I picked up 2 more because I may end up giving these away if a little kid wants it. And then I picked up this roll of fabric. I already opened it. It is a red, almost like a suede or velvet, just really, really pretty. I'm doing a collab with my friend Doll Fairy Crafter, and I'm super excited. So I had picked up a couple different fabrics that I wanted to try out, and I don't know if I'll use them on that particular collab or, you know, in something else, but I picked up these. This is a beautiful color. I love this texture. I got a couple of these actually. Here's the white one. And I thought this would be pretty as a throw blanket. I do make doll bedding, so if you guys are ever interested, I do make those. And I thought, you know, this would be really cute to add to it. I got 2 of them actually because I liked it a lot. And then I got these. They actually had oven baked clay at that Dollar Tree, and I didn't pick it up. It was $5, and I have so much clay, but I want to try it one day. And they had little cutters. You get 4. This would be great for a doll cake. That would be good for a doll cake. Even the butterfly. And then this one you can make jewelry out of or something, but those were fun. They had other ones, but I just got those. And they actually had rubber beads. I love these beads for making my badge pulls. So I picked up this pack. I don't think they had any other colors at that store, but You get 15 for $1.25. That's not too bad. Temu's a little bit better on pricing with those, but not a bad price. This is adorable. It's an embroidery kit, and it's a little mushroom, and I've been obsessed with mushrooms lately. You get everything you need in there. So I'm going to do that one day. I also found these craft fur fabric sheets, and they are just so soft, and I only saw these two, or I would have got more, but for $1.25, you can use these as rugs in the dollhouse, to make clothes with. I mean, whatever you want. I love these little wooden boxes for the dollhouse. So I got another one to decorate. Some little canvases. These are also great just for fun. I love to paint. Let's see, what else do we have here? Someone recommended this fusible interfacing. I've never used it, but one of my doll dresses in my last video was ripped, and I saw it at Dollar Tree, and I picked it up, and I'm going to try it. I don't know how that works, but I'm going to look up a video and see if I can figure out how to use this. I don't think I've used it before. Maybe I have, and I just can't remember, but I picked it up. $1.25. I thought you really couldn't beat that, and I needed it to try to fix that garment. We have some wooden pieces here. They're just little butterflies, and like I said, I did multiple trips, so that was from one trip. And then I got some of this yarn. It is so pretty, and I have some other colors, and I just love it. I really need to do a lot of crafting. I have so much stuff in here. My Dollar Tree also had a bunch of these. I just picked up all the ones they had. So they're jewelry making kits. This one comes with like little beads and charms. You get like a butterfly and a flower. Oh, this one I opened. The bracelets are super tiny. I have really tiny wrists, and these would not fit me. So these are probably more child size, to be honest, unless you had an extender. You'll see if you try it on, you'll see what I'm talking about. But I thought for $1.25 for each, that was a great price. This one comes with crosses and some more beads, so you can make your own little bracelets. Here's the bracelet here. I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the one I opened. And they're really nice quality, but I mean, it fits me, but it's like the tightest bracelet ever. Let's see here. Well, I can get it on. It's just super tight. So yeah, they're small. And then I got this. I thought I could paint this and put some birdseed in it for my window so my cats could watch the birds because they love them. They also had these little wire sets for jewelry making. I got it in silver and black. I don't know where the silver, whoops. I don't know where the silver one is right now. Oh, and I got a pink one of these. I'm trying to go through this super quick. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, I got gold. I must have got silver too. So I got gold in that. This one came with a mermaid and a seashell, and it was just really pretty. I mean, to make your own bracelet, I just wish those bracelets were the right size. And then they had just plain beads. I've got one of these for candles and for resin because I use it for both. They had some perler beads, which I'm almost out of black, so I'll let you know if these compare to the brand name ones. But you got two boards too. So that's a really good deal. If you like fused beads or perler beads, they do have solid colors. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, they had some resin stuff. So these are like resin powders or mica powders. And you have pink, orange, gold, and like a red color. And I thought that was a good deal. They also had molds. I only got one of the molds. I don't know if this is going to fit every light switch because all houses are different. It would have to be those flip up ones. But I want to try that. So I'm going to make one and I'll let you know if you want to see it. I'll make one, and I'm thinking about making one for in here for the doll room and doing it like Barbie themed or something. So I picked that up. Oh, and here's the, Here's the silver one right here. I'm trying not to make the video too long, so I apologize. And then I got these pop dot adhesives. These are amazing for 3D, like photos and stuff when you put it on your doll rooms. I'll show you in a future video because I use them all the time on my doll rooms. All right, last three things are kind of boring. Tape for packages. Tape for packages. Dollar Tree's my place to go for cheap tape. And then, of course, we had to have some more tacky glue. So yeah, that is it. What a mess here. I'm going to put all this stuff away, but I highly recommend going to your Dollar Tree just multiple times because I did not find all of this in one go. I never do. I think I found these one day, and then a couple days later, I found a couple other things. So I spend like $5 or $10 each trip, and then I find little things each time. So I think this is a huge haul, and I love the fabrics. I hope you guys can find some of these things if you like them. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this chaotic haul, and I'll see you guys very soon with another video.